In this video, I'll introduce the word processing application Pages for Mac. To start a new document in Pages, go to the File menu and choose New. And you can see there's a wide range of templates on offer, and some of these are pretty useful. They're also categorized on the left. If I go into Miscellaneous, for example, and choose Elegant Brochure, and then hit Choose, I get this rather nice brochure template, and I can change it to suit my own needs. For example, if I double click on that title, I can put in my own title. I can remove that text and put in my own text. And there's a little text box here. If I click on it, I can resize it and move it around. I'm going to select and delete this picture and drag in my own picture, which is a JPEG file that I've kept on desktop, and I resize that by dragging from the corner and place it where I wish. Everything can be moved around, everything can be changed. Once I'm happy, I'll go into File, Save, and I'll save this as a Pages iCloud file. When it's in iCloud, that means that I can access it from my laptop, my iPad or iPhone. But just for typing text, I'll delete this document. Just for typing text, I'll open New and go into All and choose this blank document. There we are. And here's some text to work with. To format the text or to rearrange document settings, you need to go to the appropriate inspector panel on the right. Then there are two of these. There's the Format panel and the Document panel. The Document panel allows you to adjust printer settings, headers, footers, page orientation, margins and so on. And it just clicks on and off. That's it off. Click the Format inspector, and this is a very useful panel which allows you to change the look and feel of different parts of the document. For instance, if I select those two words, I can make them bold, italic, underlined, not bold, and so on. I can change their colour. And if I create some paragraphs, let's say I'll select those two paragraphs, I can change the alignment. That's them centered, right aligned, left aligned, and I can move the text. Once left aligned, I can move it in by clicking this indent and then back again. I can change the spacing. It's currently on single spacing. That's 1.2. That's double spacing. And I can turn it into bullets and lists. If I, for instance, choose bullet there, you can see there's a redundant bullet, so just click and delete. Even more useful than this direct formatting, I can use styles. For example, if I click in the title there and then click this little down arrow, it reveals a number of paragraph styles. If I click title, then it'll change the style of that top line to the title style, or I can choose a different style. And I can even create my own styles. If I select that text, I might want to change the font size, perhaps make it bold, perhaps change the colour, and I can save that as my own personal style by clicking the down arrow, clicking a little plus there, and you see it's called it Subtitle 1, or I can give it my own name, My Title. And the great thing is that once that style is contained within paragraph styles, I can access it anytime I like in the future. Well, I hope that's enough to get you started using Pages. There are many other useful features you can explore, but for more help, try clicking this Tips button.